Hey everybody, I'm back here with more Revit training and picking up from my last exercise. We got this small church we're working on, and this is our floor. So we're gonna go with the slab on grade, and this is kind of a detail of what that will look like. You have a slab here, and you got, this is gonna be earth, and you're gonna have a footing. So to create that, here I'm gonna go to footing. And then this is my wall. So what has to happen here is you will go into the, so basically I have to add this floor in. It could get a little tricky in architectural model. But I'm going to my project browser. We'll go to the first level here. Okay, so there's that first level, and there's our floor. So if I go into my properties, we got a 4-inch slab, and that's fine, but for this type of floor system, since it's a slab on grade, we're gonna go with our, and draw a slab edge. So I'm just select this, and go, I'll do it here. I think I can. I don't see it. Let's go to 3D view. Or wait a second here. Let's just look at our section view. Okay, so there we have our slab edge here. So now what happens here, we've got to do some type of detail because at this point, this is all going to be earth. Let's see if I can go into my, one of these other views, say let's open this one. Same thing with here. All this under here is going to be earth, and we're going to have the detail here. And basically what's going to end up going on is this. If I can drink that down, yep. Uh-oh. We're going to do something like this right here in this area. Come on, guy. But yeah, we're going to do something like this. I don't know why I can't move it. Won't let me. Oh, there we go. Oh, shit. Oh, anyway, you saw it. And these are basically being edges, and then we'll go back here. This is all going to be covered. And then also the finished floor level might rise up a little bit depending on where we want our finished floor level. So I'm going to window tile this. And I just wanted to show you what we've got going on here. So now we've got our foundation going. And this is the system we're going to use based on this this detail. And we'll have a footing on the bottom. So what you see here, you got runnage. This is basically the floor and everything. But we get the idea, guys. We're going to finish this up. I'm going to thank you all for watching. So we've got our foundation going. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add fill and surface and all that later on in another video. But let's see if I can get these guys in some sort of order. Oh, goodness gracious. I'm in sort of a mood today. Okay. But anyway, this is the church. We're getting our foundation going and our slab on grade. Like I said, this issue is going to be different because we've got to go down 42 inches. My guess is I would probably like to do a basement. Just do a basement, but I'm not. You know, do what they tell you to do. But so anyway, this is basically going to run through quickly what we just did. We look at our section view here. We created our floor. This is going to be basically a 6-inch. What do we have here? It's a 4-inch slab. We can adjust this. I think maybe a 6-inch slab. Okay, we'll go with that for now, because I don't want to drag this video out. And then we got our slab edge, and here we got our footing. So we can make all type of adjustments here. But I'm basically doing this based on this detail. So like I said, here we've got this footing. Well, we may not need that in this case. We can probably do something very similar to this, or depending on what your requirements are in your area. But hey folks, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I have some like videos like this every day. Y'all be safe. Bye.